Hi there, I'm Maggie Samuel, your local realtor here in beautiful Peachtree City, and today we're taking a tour through Avalon Park. The neighborhood is small but mighty, with just 48 homes tucked off Robinson Road near Highway 54. It's the kind of place where you know your neighbors, but your acre-plus lot gives you all the breathing room you could want. Most of the homes were built between 1995 and 2005. The bulk popped up in 96 and 97. You'll find floor plans ranging from 2,300 square feet to 4,700 square feet, and many sit on lots over an acre, roughly around an acre and a quarter. That means plenty of space for gardens, soccer nets, or that dreamy backyard oasis. Location-wise, Avalon Park hits the sweet spot. You're less than 5 minutes by car to Publix, Sprouts, and Fresh Market. Or if you're feeling leisurely, it's only about 10 minutes by golf cart. Sprouts sits on Lexington Circle, while Publix at Peachtree East is just across Highway 54. Now, between those two centers, you'll find around a dozen 4-star restaurants, so your dinner options are anything but boring. Now, if you go the other way on 54, a little bit west, you'll find Fresh Market at Peachtree Crossings, along with more restaurants, salons, and local gems. Pro tip, try the shrimp place. You'll thank me later. For the active crew, Glenloch Recreation Center is just a short golf cart ride away, probably under 10 minutes. And that's where the laser soccer kids play, and you've got access to a public pool and a splash pad that's basically the neighborhood MVP during Georgia summers. Another highlight, Battery Way Park on Lake Peachtree. Think lake views, picnic spots, and a perfect spot to unwind. It's just 12 to 14 minutes by golf cart from your driveway. The kids are zoned for some of the best schools in Metro Atlanta: Huddleston Elementary, J.C. Booth Middle, and McIntosh High School. And while it's an easy golf cart to each of those schools, you can also put your kids right on the bus. And yes, all are Peachtree City favorites. Let's take a look at the market update. This is as of mid-July of 2025. The last closed sale was back in June 2024, so I couldn't even go back 12 months. I had to go back farther. It was a home that went for $866,000 in just 4 days. Now, currently, there are 2 listings that are active. The first one is sitting at $705,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 3,100 square feet that sits on an acre lot. The other one, bigger, $1.1 million. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and 4,200 square feet on 1.2 acres. Both have been on the market for a bit, averaging around 35 days, but keep in mind that's a tiny data set, so trends can shift quickly here. Now, if Avalon Park sounds like your kind of vibe, let's schedule a tour. I'll even take you around on the golf cart, and yes, snacks can be provided. I'm not a monster. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when another neighborhood tour pops up. Thanks for watching.